I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by ensuring the Apple glyph is available. On macOS, it's built in. On other systems, you need a font that includes U plus F8FF. Once done, open Firefox and a page or editor where you will insert the symbol. Make sure Unicode input is enabled or keep a copy of the glyph ready to paste. This gets you into the first actionable step quickly, so you're not stuck on trivial setup and can insert the symbol immediately. You can insert the Apple symbol by pasting the glyph directly or typing the Unicode code point. In web pages, use &X F8FF inside a UTF-8 encoded document so Firefox renders it correctly. If you're styling text, set font family to a font that contains the glyph. Otherwise, Firefox will show a blank or fallback glyph. You do this because the code point only displays when the chosen font includes that private use character. So font choice matters for reliable display. Finish by testing the page in Firefox on other devices and platforms. The Apple glyph lives in a private use area, so it may not exist everywhere. If the symbol fails to render, switch to an SVG or PNG fallback icon for consistent appearance. Make sure to clear Firefox cache or press Shift Reload to see updated fonts and files. If you still see a box, check font family and encoding. Those two settings nearly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.